Right now I'm going to show you how you can automate cold outreach on X, on Twitter, how you can send 450 cold DMs per day from your account to your ICP. So I will right now show you how to scrape the leads that you want, the people that you are targeting, how to connect your account, and how to start the campaign within the next 5 to 10 minutes so you can start sending out cold DMs ASAP. You can see the tool that we are using is called Xreacher.com. It's our tool. You can just go on the landing page and click on sign up for a free plan. So you will just sign up for a free plan. It will redirect you to this dashboard and you can create new campaign. So we just click on that. And there are 4 key steps into actually starting the campaign. So the first step are the leads that you want to message. So like the people that you are targeting, what people you want to be sending out those messages to. Second step is the script. So the messages that you want to be sending out. You can also like split test multiple messages. So we will go over that. Third step is actually connecting the account. And the last step is selecting how many DMs you want to send per day. And also if you want to skip people that you have previously messaged. And that's for that. So let's start with the first step. Let's select the lead list that we want to target. So there are already some pre-scraped lists that we have scraped from you. So if you can see here your niche, you can just select it and go to the next step. But you can also upload your own leads. So if you click on add leads and you have like a CSV file list of usernames, you can just upload them here. Or you can actually scrape new leads. So if you want to be more targeted, you can just click on scrape new leads. And let's say you would want to be targeting founders or like business owners. You can just go on X and find some account that those people are following. So I know, for example, business owners are usually following Alex Hormozi. So I can just search up for Alex Hormozi. I can take his username, go back on X and just go back on Xreacher and just input his username in there. You can see we have added Alex Hormozi. If I would click on start scraping, it would scrape all of his followers that have open DMs and then I can just message them all. But that wouldn't be really targeted because like a bunch of people are following him, so we need to be more targeted. So for example, I just want to message people that have in bio founder or that have in bio CEO or CMO, and yeah, that's for it. I can also exclude some location. For example, I can exclude third world countries, and I can also select how many followers they should have and few other things. But I usually go just like with a bio keywords. And yeah, that's for it. You can just click on like start scraping. I can name this lead list Alex Hormozi founders, and you can see it started initiating the scrape. So it will return back. You can see here is the lead list. If I refresh, yeah, it's still initiating the scrape. It will take a while till it's scraped, or maybe not that much. You can see already there is 2,300 leads. If I refresh, there is like 5,000 leads. So I can just select the lead list and it's scheduled right now. So once it's scraped all of the leads, it will start sending. It will probably be maximum like few minutes. Then I can click on continue. Maybe it's already scraped if I refresh. Yeah, it's already scraped. So we have 6,000 leads that we can reach out to right now. So I can continue, and right now we will select the message that we want to send out. So you can just click on add script. I can say, name it like opener one. That's just like something for me. You can put there anything. And then for a message, you can say like, hey, name, and this like personalization will fill out their first name. It uses like AI to analyze their profile. Based on that, it will fill out the first name, and then you just say whatever the message that you want. So I can just say, hey name, are you open for a chat or whatever? Save it. I can then also add more messages. I highly recommend you to add at least like 5 to 10 openers or like the scripts that you want to be sending out, because you can then see which opener is getting more replies. You can exactly see the reply rates in analytics, and then based on that you can just go with the one that has the highest reply rate on, or actually test out more of those openers. But I would go at least with 5 openers. So you can just then add the script and add new script here. Once you have added all of the scripts that you want, you can just continue to choose the account. So here you can either connect your own account, or if you don't have an account, we are also like selling aged verified accounts that you can start using for outreach as well. But in this case, let me just show you how to connect your account. You can just click on connect. And right now it's pretty simple process. You just like fill out your username, password, and just like connect the account. Let me just connect the account real quick. Okay, so I have just added one of my accounts. So once you add the account, you can just click and make it active, and then we can continue. So we already have a lead list, we have the message, we have the account. So right now we just select how many DMs we want to send per day. If you have just connected your account and you haven't done outreach to it before, you can just like warm it up a little bit. So you can start like at 50 and then like increase it till you go to 450, and then you can just start sending like 450 per day. And skip previously DM'd, I always put this on, and then create campaign. So you can see right now the campaign is active. If I open the campaign, you can see this is the lead list that we will start sending out those DMs to. Then you will see actually the messages sent to this reply rate on this lead list. Then you can see the message. You can add more messages here, the reply rates here. Then you can also see the reply rates for these specific accounts. So if you add multiple accounts, you can actually split test the account setups. You can split test the messages. You can split test the split test the lead list. So you can split test basically everything. Yeah, and that's for it. If I right now just reload it, yeah, you can see one message has been already sent out on that account. You can see progress is 1%. And if I go to inbox, then you can also see the DMs that are sending out. So you can see right now, hey, Jay, their first name, are you open for a chat? So this is the DM that we have just sent right now, okay? So this is how to set it up. You can also use this inbox. You can also like filter it out by like unreplied people. You can also like set up the stages here. So you have like your little own CRM in here. So you can just use this inbox as well. This is how you start a campaign. And that's everything for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message at anywhere on Twitter, Instagram,